kitchen shelf microwave rack particle board with 6 S-shaped hooks, 6 shelves, pull-out mesh basket, suitable for kitchen, office, bathroom, Gold Country style. Based on the country style of the farmhouse style, the elegant and exquisite appearance will add unique charm, elegance and balance to your decoration, which can be matched with other furniture in any room. High quality materials, the adjustable footpad design at the bottom meets the needs of different heights, allowing the desk to maintain a stable balance even on uneven floors and carpets. Installation is quick and easy to clean. A practical stand-up table needs to be assembled by yourself. The required tools and instructions are included in the package. Non-slip anti-scratch, easy to clean using the damp cloth. You can easily wipe off the dirt on the smooth surface. Storage function. This bread rack with storage function is at your service at any time. Equipped with an abundant shelves, 6 S-shaped hooks and pull-out wire basket. You'll have enough space for kitchen supplies, office supplies and household daily necessities. Risk-free purchase. Your satisfaction is the ultimate and only goal we have been pursuing. If you have any questions about our products, please contact customer service.